All right, day 2 of the E36 build. We took the motor out the other day. We are now clearing the rest of the engine bay, sanding it down, prepping it to get painted, and the next stop is going to be the body shop. Here we got Ty. Why are you hiding now? Why are you hiding now? The E36 god. I pretty much just started, but this is somewhat clean and untouched. It's already making a difference, I guess.
We're fucking playing with spaghetti.
Look like you're having so much fun. Guys, if you ever need wiring help,
No, don't hit me up.
he's your guy. He loves it. And you know what? He doesn't even charge.
That's bad.
He does it for the love of the game.
I really don't do anything for
Tyreek McGregor, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and get him to 100K subs, followers ASAP, so we can start a family.